Spiritual life refers to a way of living that focuses on the development of the inner self, a connection to a higher power or deeper reality, and a pursuit of meaning, purpose, and peace. It involves nurturing the soul or spirit through practices, values, and beliefs that help a person grow morally, emotionally, and spiritually. Key characteristics of spiritual life: inner growth and self-awareness. A spiritual life often begins with a desire to understand oneself at a deeper level. It involves reflecting on thoughts, actions, and motivations to align with higher values, connection with the divine or higher power. This could be God in religious traditions, the universe, nature, or simply a sense of a greater force. Practices like prayer, meditation, and worship are common ways to strengthen this connection, living with purpose and meaning. Spiritual people often seek to live according to a purpose beyond material success or worldly desires. They aim to live meaningfully, guided by values like compassion, honesty, and humility, peace, and contentment. A spiritual life brings inner peace, even during hardship, through trust in divine will, mindfulness, or acceptance. It reduces anxiety by focusing on eternal truths rather than temporary problems. Service and compassion. Many spiritual paths emphasize helping others, kindness, and living with love. Serving humanity is seen as serving God or fulfilling one's spiritual duty. Detachment and simplicity. Spiritual life often encourages detachment from ego, materialism, and worldly distractions. Simplicity, gratitude, and humility are seen as signs of spiritual maturity. Spiritual life in religion versus non-religious paths. Religious spiritual life follows specific teachings, rituals, and disciplines, e.g., Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Hinduism. Non-religious spiritual life focuses on personal growth, mindfulness, and a sense of connection without formal religion.